Ayan. Hello everyone. So for today's video, ay mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng gift from Sir JV Outdoors and from Honeywear. Thank you so much for this and this one. Thank you for the gift. So I'm gonna open this one first. Actually, I've opened it when we met, but I will unbox it with a video. Ayan, so I'm gonna unbox. Ano yung pag-unbox? Ang ganun na. Ayan, so it's a Revico. This one. So this is a bracelet. It's a bracelet with my initial. Nice. It has my initial. A bracelet with my initial. So let's wear it again. Because see where you put it on my before when we met. So I will put it again for the second time for the unboxing video. Sana lang malakas yung audio ko, no? Wala akong mic. Ayan. Tapos hindi ko malagay, no? Ano ba to? Diba sabi sa inyo, marunong maglagay. Hindi ba ang ganda niya? Mayroon pa siyang initial, Ano ba to? Ayan. Pangit ang kamay ko. Problema, hindi ko to masusuot ng ako mag-isa. So ayaw talaga niya. Okay, susuot. Hindi ko to masuot. Maya na lang. Basta ito. Thank you for this beautiful bracelet. And my initial Honeywear and see, it's so beautiful. Later I will put this. I cannot wear it. Then the other one is the necklace. So beautiful necklace. Paano nga yun pag nag-unbox ba? May pa ganun. Di ba sa mga nag-video, no? So, this one, I can wear this. It's a necklace, a beautiful necklace, a gold necklace. Sana online. Thank you so much, Honeywear. So, I'm gonna wear this. See? It's so beautiful. Thank you so much for this Christmas gift, an early Christmas gift. I love it. It's so beautiful. Of course, I will treasure this one. So precious. Kaya lang yung bracelet hindi ko masuot mag-isa. Kasya sa akin pero hindi ko lang siya masuot. Mamaya pag wait, mag-pause ako. So, ayan. Nalagay ko na siya. Nalagay ko siya, pero mali yung nasabitan ko, kaya medyo maluwag siya. Pero ito siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Sana ayan. Thank you so much, Honey Bear, for this wonderful gift. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. Thank you always and forever for the love and support to me, for this wonderful gift, for this early Christmas gift. Thank you. Running heart. Thank you so much.